All right, today we're going to bring a fishing rod holder, and this is a little bench for your fishing tackle and your fishing rod. So we're going to put it together today and see how it looks. Now, they do give you the instructions along with the screws in the wheels because it's movable, and also an Allen wrench in here to put together. So here's the actual rack space for your fishing equipment. You got plenty of room. You got 3 tiers, 1, 2, and 3 the bottom, and then you got 2 tiers for your rods. All right, now my rods are a little long, so this has a couple wheels too. It has brakes. It came with the Allen wrench, the tools, everything that's necessary to build this. It's very sturdy. You can readjust it how you want. These are replaceable. You can remove them if you want. You can flatten this out. I like that it gives you extra rods and extra hooks in the bottom. If you guys can see, I put some extra strings. I always purchase, hang them there, see what I have. I have my tackle box here. I could fit another one and another one that are smaller. This is a large tackle box, so I put it on top. I got plenty of room for up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 14 rods in the back too. 7 in the back, 7 in the front, and then you could hang up whatever you want, your jacket, your towels, your napkins, pretty much anything you take to fishing. This could be a fishing station ready to go. So when you're gonna go fishing, you don't have to look anywhere but here. This is a good place to be. You could have as many as things that you like in this, but fishing rods, if you're a collector or you have different for bass fishing, or if you're gonna go river fishing or sea fishing, you could have them distinguish each one and number them if you want. That's an option. But look at this, very simple to install. I like it. It's nice and sturdy, and if you guys can notice, it still has the numbers and the letters. I haven't taken them off because it's on number, easy to follow the instructions. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.